Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Heytap Cloud with the same Oppo ID or phone number used to back up contacts. This is crucial because the restore links to that account. Once signed in, open Settings, right arrow Cloud Services, right arrow Heytap Cloud, and tap Contacts. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection and plug into power or keep battery above 50%. Now, verify the last backup date so you restore the correct snapshot. Next, locate backups and select the contact's backup entry with the timestamp you need. This ensures you recover the right data. Once selected, choose whether to perform a full restore or a selective sync if you only want certain groups. Selective restores save time and avoid duplicates. Tap Restore and grant permissions for contacts, storage, and account sync when the system asks, because without these permissions, the app cannot write entries to your phone. Wait for the progress bar to finish. After the progress completes, open your phone or contacts app and scan for names, numbers, and groups to confirm the restore. Make sure recent calls show associated contacts. If you see duplicates, use the Merge or Dedupe tool in contact settings to clean up entries. This is faster than manual edits. If the restore fails, sign out and sign back into Heytap Cloud. Toggle contacts sync off and on, then retry. If problems persist, reach out to Heytap support with the backup timestamp and error details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.